Don't eat the chicken poop. Yeah. So I was thinking, we make bacon balls, and basically what we do is we put minced meat and we wrap bacon around it, but we never ever made actual bacon balls. And so I Googled it last night and I was thinking, there must be somebody that did proper bacon balls. Guess what? On the whole wide web, no proper bacon balls. I don't know why that is. Maybe there's a good reason. People have tried and failed, but I think we should give it a try. Proper bacon balls. Goed zo, meisje. Okay, time to mince some bacon. So what we've got here is bacon cuts. Really fresh, nice smoked bacon. We're gonna take off the outside, the yellow parts here, and then we're gonna cube it up. You like bacon, Morrison?
Sure do.
You like bacon, Denise? All right, now let's grind it up. Dripping in the bacon pieces. Let's see if we can grind it up properly.
Do you have any idea what's going to happen?
And we get a minced bacon. But the question is, are we going to grind it once or are we going to grind it twice? And with a lot of our burgers, we grind it only once because we want it to have texture. But I think in this case, we're going to grind it twice to make sure that we got a nice and smooth paste to make proper balls. We will surely have enough fat. Now we'll go in for the second grind.
Welcome to Cooking with Amateurs.
So what are we going to do?
Fire up the grill, and you're gonna tell me what to do because I don't know. Be right back. We take out the grills, great thingies, put in the big block. How much? There we go. Yeah?
Do you know how much to put in?
No? I listen to Morrison.
Don't listen to Morrison. It's like an equation. Fire
Yeah.
is ignition, fuel, and air.
Okay.
More air, more fuel, higher temperature.
Ah, okay.
So
less.
We're gonna be smoking balls, so less is more.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Light them on, and now we'll wait.
We double grind our bacon. This means we get a smooth texture and a more compact smoked meatball. Mmm, lekker. Sorry, girl. No bacon for you. Morrison, I just saw a big rain cloud coming. It's over there. Right there. Over the cows. Over the steaks in the field. We had 1 week of sunny weather, and this is how we have to pay the price for that. So I'm gonna use the recipe that... Whoa. Ooh. Denise just almost dropped the breadcrumbs. Whew. I think this is gonna be our lucky day. I'm gonna use the recipe, by the way, that my mother uses to make her meatballs. And meatballs in the Netherlands are kind of a thing. We even have a day for it. It's called Wednesday Meatball Day. In Dutch is a little bit more logical. Woensdag gehaktdag. Woensdag gehaktdag. Basically what we need is an egg, breadcrumbs, but more Dutch would be to use paneermeel. I don't know what it is in American or English. Bread flour. So we have this thing in the Netherlands, and my mother had me do this. You take 2 of these biscuits and you rub them together and they grind down, and this is what you end up with. For a normal version of it would be to use breadcrumbs, which is not the same but almost the same. So the egg, the breadcrumbs, and of course we need seasoning. But since this is bacon and it's very, very salty and very flavorful, we're only gonna need a little bit of seasoning. Thank you very much. This is a basic barbecue rub, and for 1 kilogram I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add our breadcrumbs. Now we're going to take our hands and knead this into a fine paste. You really want to work this because you want to have a smooth paste, as smooth as you can make it. So when you want to determine how much egg and breadcrumbs you actually need is, you take a little bit of it and you're going to roll it up into a bowl, and you're gonna roll it of course. And then after like a minute of rolling and making it smooth, you're gonna end up with a smooth ball. Is it weird to say smooth balls? It looks really good. So smooth balls is what we're looking for. Let it be known, Pitmaster X got smooth balls. So we're gonna roll up a couple of these balls And then I want to try something else. So my worry is that these bacon balls are going to be way too salty. And that's why I'm going to make a couple of them with a little mozzarella ball inside. The trick is to get the mozzarella ball on the inside and then start rolling it. And our balls are all rolled up and ready to go on our smoker. I've got a really easy setup technique for this one. I'm going to open the lid, I'm going to move all the charcoal to one side, and we're going to stick a lot of wood between the charcoal and our indirect side. Put the grill grate on, time to put our balls on. There we go. Gently set them over the indirect side. Those are some good looking balls, man. Tell me, Marcin, what do you think? Gotta hurry. More rain coming. I love the Netherlands. Marcin, you know why the rain's so important? Because it makes the cows grow. All right, let's close the lid. Now our balls are safe from the rain.
You know what we should do? Deep fry them.
Oh yeah. Deep fried smoked bacon balls.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
One problem. Beside the rain, I kind of broke the deep fryer.
How did you?
I dropped it. We gotta get one from the store. But we got 30 minutes for the balls to be done. If we go now, we got a deep fryer. And we're back in the Fiat Panda. So we're off to get a deep fryer. We only got 30 minutes. Can the Fiat Panda do it, you think? I want to have a cheap deep fryer because the chances of it breaking is rather large with us. Denise is playing rugby and she got kicked in the head twice last night. She came in with a headache and a big frown on her head.
And now she's driving.
And now she's driving. Do you feel safe, Marcin?
Nope.
Hold on! Corner!
Uh-oh.
Permanently closed.
Yeah, they're bankrupt.
Probably. Why do people always order this stuff online? Now my store is closed. Can it go faster?
Hey,
maybe
you
use
can't
two
eat and
hands.
drive.
Why are you eating and we are not eating?
We drive, I don't eat.
Think they have deep fries here?
Yeah, 10%.
We got one. Only 20 euros. First we gotta check on our bowls. You don't like it, Eva? Eva doesn't like it. Let's check our bowls. Ooh-wee! Look at that. Time to take our bacon balls off. Oh no! This one stick to the grill grate. Oh, look at that. That's a nice ball. Well, since it's already damaged, I might as well eat it. Why did nobody make this before? Oh, I think we're looking golden. The problem is now I want to eat them, but we're still going to deep fry them. So it's warming up. We're building up our breading station. We're going to start with some flour. We got 2 eggs. We're going to whisk them up. It's raining. Not a little bit. It's raining a lot. If you stand over here, you're dry. If you stand over there, Marcin, you're wet. That's a good one. Look, even the dog is taking shelter, Marcin, underneath the grill. And back to business. We Dutch guys, we are stopped by no amount of rain. Time to put in breadcrumbs. Our high quality professional deep fryer for 20 euros is almost ready. Look at that, full stainless steel. What more do you want? All right, maybe, okay, Denise, maybe there's a little defect there. We'll take one of our bowls, put them in our flour, and then we're gonna tap off all that flour, dip it in our egg, in our breadcrumbs. Finally, in our deep fryer. Look at that beauty go. Magic is happening. Now let's do the rest of our bowls. Look at these bowls, they look so good. And just like with pancakes, we always have an ugly one. Most of the time it's the first one, and look at this one. It's not that great. This is so good. It's crunchy. We've got the bacon ball. All it needs now is a little bit of mayonnaise. Or barbecue sauce. Our cheese balls are almost done. Oh, look at them. Nice and golden brown color. Can't wait to open these up. If you want to change your mind about the cheese, you're allowed to at any point. Denise is forgiven. By the way, are you following us on TikTok? If you're not, go to TikTok right now, get the app, follow us, let me know, leave me a comment. Deep fried bacon balls. Look at how good these look. They're absolutely fantastic. The big question, why aren't there bacon balls? I don't know why. I really don't get it. They're so good. It's just crazy. course, there's a little bit saltiness inside, so you gotta be prepared for that, but hey man, it's bacon, smoked bacon, double smoked bacon actually. And then we got the ones with the cheese inside. We need to try those. Let's open one up, take a look inside. Nice and cheesy bowl. I expected them to be a little less salty, but man, these are fantastic. So crazy hot. Well, as you guys can see, you can make bacon balls, and I mean real bacon balls. Not the ones that have minced meat in them, but the proper ones. Made out of minced bacon. Of course, they're gonna be a little bit salty, but with a good sauce on the side, it's gonna turn out beautiful. And besides, it make you Guys, where did they go? Where are the bacon balls? Hey, you guys, where did you go?
This is Netflix food.
So watching Stranger Things?
Yeah, man.
Why not Peaky Blinders?
I just saved your life. Go.
Kids these days just binge watching Netflix. I don't get it. What's wrong with YouTube? YouTube used to be the thing. Come on, let's go. Oh, thank you patrons, thank you YouTube members for watching my videos. Glad you enjoy it. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.